What's up guys, good morning. It is a very lovely and cool Sunday morning. I'm in the Isuzu. I'm on my way to Tranquil Fly Fishing. We are heading out there for the day. I'm gonna try and get some trout, see what the day holds and what it brings, and the weather looks good. It's a crispy 0 degrees at the moment, 20 past 5 in the morning. I left home around 5 o'clock, had to stop for some diesel, and yeah guys, on my merry way. Let's see if I can get some shots of the road for you. A lovely day ahead of us. Myself and Jurik, Gareth and Grant, 4 of us heading out to do some fishing. Hopefully they bite today, we'll see. Fish are currently in spawn, which makes it a little bit difficult, but it's not the end of the world. I'm sure we will still be able to catch 1 or 2 fish. I have been tying some of my own flies again. I've got some creations that I want to test out again today. Yeah, let's see. Quite keen. I'm on my way now, meeting up with Jurik. He's flown in from Australia for a couple weeks to be with his family again, and yeah, as something has become a custom between the two of us, is we organize a fishing trip. So more of that a bit later. I'll introduce all the guys to you, and let's see if we can get some tight lines on today. I must just say as well, Marshall, Russian bride, dankie master, dankie. Marshall was kind enough to donate some of his previous used fly lines to me, which are still in awesome condition. So my very old fly lines that were in a dire need of replacement. Yeah, so I've replaced all of them, and keen to try out the new lines today. I have seen from photos that the fish at this venue are currently spawning, so yeah, let's see what we can get today and knock it out the park, guys. Lovely morning, road is clean, very little to no traffic, and the Isuzu is going like a Boeing. Let's do this. Everybody is flashing me, but it's fine. There's nothing that we can't sort out. Got enough of the HELA lights on the truck, so yeah, loving this. I prefer traveling in the early hours of the morning or late in the evenings. Roads are quiet, got the place to myself. It just feels a whole lot safer, and especially having all the lovely lights from HELA, it just makes life a lot easier when it comes to the dark side of the day. Yeah guys, until the next one, I'll keep you guys posted. I'm about 20-25 minutes away, so I'll touch base when I meet up with Jurik shortly. Cheers. Guys, fresh morning. Jurik here with me. As I said, he flew all the way from Australia.
Hey guys, how's it going?
Our customary fishing trip when he's here. This has become a custom. As you can see, the sunrise there behind us. We are nice and early. Just turn a little bit here. Man standing there. There's the dam. Tranquil Fly Fishing, you beauty. Yeah, what a morning, guys, what a morning. We just made some Milo. Busy rigging up the rods here behind us. Yeah, Jurik, what do you think? You ready for today?
Yeah, can't wait. A bit cold. Hopefully the fingers warms up a bit.
Yeah, no, the hand holding the tripod, yeah, I can't feel it anymore. But other than that, this is gonna do some wonders now. Yeah, what's your game plan? What you gonna go for first?
Probably just do a hopper dropper.
Hopper dropper for the win. I might also do hopper dropper. I'll see. I tied some hoppers of my own. Let's see what they do. Let's see if we can land some fish nice and early. It's a phenomenal morning. Tranquil Fly Fishing is nothing short of special every single time I've been here. Yeah, very keen for today. We're gonna hit a little bit of a braai later, and yeah, last time you were here we did a yellowfish on the Vaal, and today we're doing trout. Let's see if we can hook up some bad boys for the day. Cheers guys.
Cheers.
See you later. There we go guys, Gareth
back at it
and
again.
Grant joined the party here in the cold.
rather late than never, eh?
Yes, rather late than never they say, but yeah, it's fresh, it's fresh.
Get things set up and
sun coming up there, it's lovely.
wait for it to warm up before we actually catch a fish.
So what's the game plan today guys?
I think I'm gonna go with the floating line, try like a bung sort of setup. See how it goes. Yeah.
Nice.
I'll give the wash liner method
wash
a go.
line. There we got a
Let's
washing
see.
line. Let's see. He doesn't do enough washing at home now. He has to come and do the washing line here.
On a Sunday, hey?
On a Sunday. Yes, that's hard life, eh? Tough life.
Just
yeah.
can't get away from it.
Tough life. Anyway, hope you guys have a good one.
Thanks, man. You too, yeah.
Let's pull some fish out of the water.
Definitely.
Tight lines.
Jurik lost one so far. I haven't had a hook set yet. These guys are still building rods,
Yeah.
so time
Keeping the hands warm.
to. Yeah, it's cold. Right.
Okay, let's do it.
time to eat.
Like a tough day, eh?
Yeah, no, it's been quiet, so we'll make a braai instead.
Yeah. Feel up for the afternoon session.
Hopefully the afternoon will be a bit better.
Alright, Mr. 100-meter athlete, how was your run around the dam?
Fantastic.
How was your, what did you catch it on?
I got the secret, guys.
What's the secret ingredient?
Some sort of hopper, it's a foam, almost beetle,
Yeah,
top of and something yellow with legs.
at the bottom.
No, on the top, just a single,
Oh, is that all he's fishing?
just a single dry.
Just the top,
Says they're after that
top water.
as it splashes.
And apparently he's missed 3, so
Yo.
they are there.
As he's stripping it on top of the water.
I think it's as it lands.
Yeah.
As it lands. He's hitting it. They want
He's
the
stripping
splash.
it quite fast.
They want that splash.
I wonder if you go to like what they call in Sage a rope park. You put
A
muddler on,
muddler, yeah.
and you just gain that thing over the.
Jy sien net daai silwer pen, dis wat hy draai. What's up, guys? Quick check-in. It's been a tough day next to the water. The wind is killing us out there. I don't know if you can see back there, but it's like the ocean out there today. So I thought, let me take a moment while the fish are frustrating us all, do a little bit of a walkthrough of the bakkie so you guys can see some more of what's changed over the last couple of months. Unfortunately, one of my hard drives crashed with a whole lot of video footage that I was busy editing for the bakkie build, the adventure or the overlanding build series. So yeah, time for a bit of an update, show you guys what's changed in the meantime. Yeah, let's get into it. So at the moment here we've got the kitchen box as part of the canopy. As most of you know, it's a lead fly canopy supplied by Off-Road Adventure Center. They built the box insert as well for the kitchen. Ultimate Foam Inserts did the foam insert for the kitchen. So in this little space here I've got my stove that's behind me. That round section is for my pot set, which I just took out here for a moment, so my kettle also goes into that. Yeah, and then below that I've got this, it's like a tupper seal container, but it's a stainless steel one, so from Lizard. Very cool. I love this thing. It works for everything. I've stored dried meat in there. We got our Milo in there currently for the cold mornings. Yeah, so, and then underneath here there's 4 plates, 4 bowls. I've got teaspoons, normal spoons, all the knives and forks and steak knives are all that side. Then my lizard arrangement, these 530 milliliter bottles fit in here quite neatly. So I've got 2 of them sitting there for when we're traveling and doing all our things. Coffee cups, wine glasses for the missus, the whole 9 yards are there. Small little baby bush baby kettle, just enough water for 2 of these cups, exactly 2 of them gets out of that, so it works wonderful. It boils in no time on this little bush baby stove. Love it, it really works fantastic. I've mounted lighting in here, it has fallen off in the meantime, I'll just have to re-stick that. So it's a touch light, this one is amber, I haven't powered them on right now, so they're all isolated. I'll get into that a bit later. Then, like you guys can see here, I've got a sprayer. So on the side, inside here next to my kitchen box, I'll see if I can get you guys closer. So inside there is my pump. Hose comes over here, so this I'm still going to change a little bit. I want to put a quick connector in here and take this hose out, store it away, so that I can, when I go camping, I can just plug it in here. Bob's your uncle, I've got my connection. So very nice pressure pump. Bought it on Take A Lot of all places, and as you guys can see, this thing fires away quite well. So yeah guys, that's my kitchen setup. This morning we made ourselves a bit of Milo here. It was ridiculously cold. When we stopped here just after 6, it was around 0, -1, and it just got colder from there. First couple of casts this morning, the rod eyes were frozen over, so that was quite, I didn't feel my one hand, my casting hand was numb of the coldness. So yeah, it was a pretty cold morning. I'll show you guys interior, the control panel. It works all my exterior lights and my water pump and the auxiliary power at the back for the fridge, as well as 12 volt outputs. So that's where we are currently at. Next on my list is to mount a DC to DC charger inside my battery box back here, and then after that I would like to do a shower cubicle installation and a geyser that I want to put on the other side of the canopy on a slider that pulls out. So let's see. Still a lot of planning to do, a lot of work to do, but at the moment I'm loving it. The bucky is taking shape. It's really starting to look very well now. It's very functional for what I'm doing. I really like it. I've got a Snowmaster Traveller Series fridge, 82.5 litre or 81.5 litre, that sits in the back here. Takes up pretty much that whole back space, and that's what we travel with. Currently that is mounted inside my Jurgen's XT140 camping trailer, as we've been camping with that the last time, and I haven't needed it as yet in the bucky. So yeah guys, that's it. Let's get back to some fishing, see if we can get hook on, and till the next update. Cheers. What's up, guys? So there we have it. Day is at its end. It is now just after 6 in the evening. Jurik is driving there behind me. You can see his lights. Gareth and Grant have left around 5:30ish, somewhere there. So yeah, now it's our turn. We got talking and going through the vehicle and showing him all the things. He's very interested. Jurik is also an avid Isuzu fan, so it's always fun to talk shop with him. So yeah, that was quite lekker. Started getting quite chilly there. We adjusted the Bucky's spotlights. So the Antares lights this morning were shining a little bit off center, so now they are back to where they should be. See if you guys can see this. So up here I've got my control panel, so zombie lights. The zombie lights are for the Antares. Yeah, they're still a little bit not where I want them, but yeah, it's pretty decent. A lot better than this morning. And you can see that far pylon. These things are out of this world. They produce a ton of light very far. Like you can see there on the bushes, they do 2 spots that tend to shine quite far. Unlike the supernovas, the ValueFit supernova lights, which does a little bit more flood along with the distance, where these ones do more distance than flood, which I prefer 100%. And then of course my iPad mounted with a RAM mount, so that's my infotainment. And yeah guys, that's pretty much my setup inside the Bucky. And then over here I've got a little mag light mounted there, 3D mag light. So that's my cab. That's my cab. This is where everything happens. So yeah guys, hope you enjoy the video. Fishing was very tough today. The wind was horrible, but I prefer the wind for the most part. It feels like trout seem to rise a little bit more when there's wind. And I think, let me just get my bearings here. This almost took the wrong off ramp here. Bit of window bashing. So a little bit of mud here. Get the wheels dirty. Always fun. So yeah, I prefer a little bit of wind. It seems like the fish rise a little bit more when there's a bit of wind, but today was gale force. It was really crazy. The wind was rough. There's no other way of putting it. But it was still fun. It's good being out. It's better than sitting at home or a day in the office any given day. So definitely worth having a trip. Really would recommend Tranquil. Tranquil Fly Fishing is a very special place. It's not overcrowded. It's well looked after. Bathrooms are nice, neat. Everything is just awesome. Fishing is generally very good. There were about 9 fish that came out for the day, between 4, 5, 6, 7, between 8 people. So I blanked, my first blank in a long time, but some you win and some you lose, eh? It is what it is. There's not much you can do about that. It's not the end of the world. It's just next time we'll try harder. That's what it comes down to. So at the moment, got a bit of it's about a 25 minutes, half an hour drive back home, and then have a shower and just relax for the last little bit of the weekend before back to work tomorrow, unfortunately. So that's the way the cookie crumbles, they say. But yeah, it was really a fantastic day. It's always fun fly fishing. I tried some of my new flies. I was actually broken off. So I had one on, the line broke on me. I think the knot pulled or broke on the knot or close to the knot, because I've still got a little bit of my tippet back fly, not so much, but it was still good. It was still good. Awesome seeing Yaku again from Tranquil. Thanks Yaku for keeping such a nice place and allowing people to fish. That's very, very cool. Yeah, definitely, we'll definitely be back again. It's just today was not my day, but we'll get there. We'll get there. Anyway, guys, have a good one. Thanks for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as we did. And till the next one, get out there, stay adventurous, have fun, live your life. It's worth it. Don't just sit at home and wait for life to pass you by. Get out there, do things, see things, experience things. Just go full out, enjoy life. Till the next adventure, guys. Stay wild, live free, and have fun. Cheers. It was awesome.